Andaman. Packed with scenic wonders, crystal clear waters, coconut groves, water sports activity, and a plush of beach resorts. The island finds home in every traveler's bucket list. And if you are in Andaman and looking for the best places to eat, here is the list of top 21 restaurants in Port Blair, Havelock, and Neil Island. First in the list is Amaya. We must say Amaya is the most romantic place to visit here. The rooftop ambience overlooking the iconic North Bay and the mouth-watering seafood in the platter makes it a perfect spot for having the best dinner of your life. Second in the list is Brewberry Cafe. Brewberry is one of the best cafes in Port Blair. Apart of coffee and light snacks, you can also have Italian, Indian, pizza and other meals here. Third in the list is Icy Spicy. Icy Spicy is the paradise in Andaman for the vegetarians. This is the best restaurant for authentic North Indian food, tasty Chinese, freshly made pizzas, pastas and innovative mocktails. Fourth is Mandalay Restaurant. This open deck restaurant offers breathtakingly beautiful views of Ross and North Bay Islands. They have a wide variety of dishes that range from Indian to Chinese and salads to seafood. And we recommend this restaurant mainly for its view. At number 5 we have Ananda Restaurant. Ananda is one of the best budget restaurant in Aberdeen Bazaar of Port Blair. This restaurant is known for the quality of their food and services. Indian, Chinese and seafood options are available here. Sixth is New Lighthouse Restaurant. New Lighthouse is the most famous seafood restaurant in Port Blair. This restaurant is a heaven for lovers of fish, crab and lobsters. The food is freshly caught and you can handpick what you want to cook for you. At number 7 we have the Islander Restaurant. With beautiful and fancy interiors with a marvelous ambience, the Islander Restaurant is the in-house restaurant of Symphony Samudra Resort of Port Blair, and it's known for its amazing hospitality and the delicious food. Eighth in the list is Annapurna Cafeteria. Located in the prime market area of Aberdeen Bazaar, it is one of the oldest pure vegetarian restaurant in the Port Blair city. Annapurna have all the varieties of South Indian, North Indian and the Chinese foods. First in the list is Something Different, a beachside cafe. True to its name, Something Different offers a truly diverse and amazing meal experience. They serve mouth-watering Indian, Chinese and continental dishes combined with delicious milkshakes and light snacks. Second in the list is Bonova Cafe and Pub. Bonova is the family restaurant that serves great seafood, continental and oriental cuisines with a serene ambience and live music. And if you are a real foodie, this cafe will give you the ultimate pleasure in taste after having the mouth-watering dishes. Third is Full Moon Cafe. A view of the beach, friendly staff and delightful food. There is no place that brings all these together like Full Moon Cafe. This charming restaurant is one of Havelock's most recommended restaurants, and all items prepared here by using the local and fresh ingredients. Fourth is Fat Martin Cafe. Named after its friendly manager Martin, Fat Martin is more about food than service. The restaurant offers Indian and Asian cuisines, and the most famous dishes at Fat Martin is chicken curry with rice and pizza. We also recommend you to try a dessert named Hello to the Queen. Number 5 is Red Snapper. Red Snapper is part of Wild Orchid Beach Resort. With their rich ambience and decoration of polished bamboos, it is one of the most famous seafood fine dining restaurants in Havelock. For dinner, they exhibit their fresh seafood on an ice podium in middle of the restaurant so that you can choose your fish, crab or lobster depending on the size and price tag. Number 6 is Barefoot Bayside Brasserie, commonly known as B3, situated near to Havelock Jetty. Their menu caters mainly continental dishes and most are cooked to perfection. The pizza and pasta are the hot favorite items on the menu. Seventh is Anju Coco Restro, with a menu that combines the best of local cuisines along with Chinese, Indian, seafood and Asian cuisines. The restaurant offers a mouth-watering lineup of dishes that are sure to make you hungry with just the smell. This place is known for the seafood barbecues, especially the grilled tuna, which is phenomenal in taste and flavor. Number 8 is Kerala Cafe. If you are looking for the authentic South Indian cuisines, so Kerala Cafe is the best option for you. Situated at the Govind Nagar in Havelock Island, Kerala Cafe serves snacks, idli, dosa, sambar and you can also try the delicious seafood here. First in the list is Dugong Restaurant. Dugong is the in-house restaurant of Seashell Resort, which is one of the finest resorts in Neil Island and very famous for their quality of food and services. Second in the list is Waters Wet Bar. Relax at the pool with your favorite cocktail in your hand at Waters Wet Bar of Neil Island. Discover a selection of some exotic cocktails and enjoy Italian, Chinese and Indian cuisines. Third in the list is Organica. Organica is an in-house restaurant of Symphony Resort, and as per their name, they serve Indian and Chinese cuisines with variety of organic local ingredients of Andaman. Number 4 is Blue Sea Restaurant. Near to the beach. Number 3, Blue Sea Restaurant offers refreshments, snacks and different kind of continental, Indian and Chinese cuisines. You can order your meal and go for a quick swim at the beach, and when you will return, your meal will be ready for you. Number 5 is Garden View Restaurant, run by a sweet couple Lalin and Kalyani, located in the middle of a lush garden and near to the Sitapur beach. This small restaurant offers delicious and very affordable seafood dishes. Veg meal and fresh fruit juices is also available here.